Alright, Queer V here, and I'm about to do my second unboxing of Artsnacks. And this is these were boxes that previous boxes that I purchased in the Artsnacks store. So they're not like for this month. I just did the July one, and now I'm about to do the April one. And I know which one it is. I didn't know which one it was before, but now I do. So let's see what I got. Alright, red. It's a nice color. Okay, ooh, I didn't remember what the sticker was. Mine's a little bent, but that's okay. Come on, I believe. No, I'm so bad at this. You can't really see it, but it's really cute. There we go. It's like little sprinkles or something. I don't know. They're really cute though. Okay, and Smarties is the snack, and I love Smarties. It's one of my favorite candies ever. So I'm really happy with that little snack. And here's this and the menu. So alright, we will open this up and then read all about this cool stuff that I just got. Also, these were in there. It might not see me that it's some paper. I'm not sure what kind yet. I'll read about it. Yep, and the tissue paper. I can open it. I'm in trouble. Ooh. Alright. Okay. Ooh. I love Tombow, and that is this one. Come on. There we go. Yes. That's nice. And we'll find out more about this very shortly. You got this, ooh, yellow color to go with the red. That's nice. It's a super color. Okay, there we go. Ha ha ha. And then this like giant paintbrush. I usually like smaller ones, so we'll see how this goes. This is big for me. This is 12. I don't even think I have a paintbrush that is this big. So, alright, let's read about this cool stuff. Here's what's on the menu for April. So the first thing is the Tombow Fou de Nosque brush pen, twin tip, black and gray. Oh yeah, I remember now, it has black and gray. I love that, that's super good. Okay, this is a $5.49 retail and is a staff favorite. Whoop, whoop. Add another dimension to your artwork with this dual-tipped Tombow Fou de Nosque brush pen. Featuring black ink on one end and gray ink on the other, this pen is perfect for both lettering and drawing. The firm yet flexible brush tips will create extra fine or medium strokes by a simple change in pressure. An added perk to this unique tool, it's waterproof when dry. Oh yes, making an excellent companion to your new watercolor pencil. I love when pens are waterproof because I like to do ink and like watercolory stuff, or like, you know, it's fun. So I like waterproof. Okay, the next one is the Caran d'Ache Super Color Soft Aquarelle Pencil. I really like this color. The color is lemon yellow. It's nice. So this is a $2.50 retail. Deliver a delicate yet vivid touch to your paper with the Caran d'Ache Supercolor Soft Aquarelle Pencil. This water-soluble colored pencil easily meets the needs of any artist, thanks to its excellent coverage and light fastness. The brilliant color remains intense, wet, or dry, giving you unlimited options for blending techniques. Whoa, sounds sweet. Alright, now this is like a super cool big item. I love like paints and inks and all that stuff, so okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this, what, ooh, flame red. Nice. flame red and lemon yellow. That's nice. Together. Okay, so Dollar Rowney FW acrylic artist ink. $7.99 retail. Layer up this month with Dollar Rowney FW acrylic artist ink. This acrylic-based water-resistant ink is highly pigmented for creating multiple color layers on top of your art. Dilute the ink with water to achieve an intense watercolor effect, or use a dry brush to create textured strokes. It's so pretty. I love this color. Okay. Robert Simmons short handle acrylic paintbrush. It's a short handle? I didn't realize. Okay, so retail range $8 to $11 depending on brush type. I don't know the ranges, so I don't know what this is, but it seems pretty big, so maybe the higher price. I don't know. Different types of mediums require different types of paintbrushes, and a good acrylic brush should hold color without losing its shape. The Robert Simmons short handle acrylic paintbrush features synthetic filaments chosen to provide both the softness and control you need to get the most out of your acrylic ink. Awesome. Okay, and then this is a bonus item. These pieces of paper, there's how many? 3? Yeah, there's 3. Okay, so L'Aquarelle Canson Heritage Watercolor Paper. It's a bonus item. Try out your new art supplies with 3 bonus sheets of cold press L'Aquarelle Canson Heritage Watercolor Paper. This heavy 300 GSM 100% cotton paper is strong and absorbent, offering excellent color laydown and ultra-sharp brush strokes. Experience precise control as color flows smoothly from your brush to paper. If you like this paper, full-size pads will be available for purchase in the Artsnacks shop. Cool. Alright, so you ready for the joke? Now that I remember that there is jokes on here. Okay. Why did the artist call a tow truck? Because he couldn't make his van go. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay. I enjoy those. But yeah, okay, so I'm super excited about all this stuff. All of these things are actually really awesome. But I'm super happy with them, so yay. At some point I will be recording me doing the Artsnacks challenge and making some art with this stuff, so see you there. Later. Bye.